In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up discount on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a polished, on-brand pop-up that encourages visitors to claim a discount and shop with confidence. First, open the Shopify website and sign in to your store's admin. From your admin dashboard, head to Settings. In the Settings area, look for the section related to apps, then choose the option that takes you to the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find tools to build and manage your pop-up. In the App Store search bar, type Pop-up. From the results, locate the app called Pop Convert. Select it, then click Install. Confirm the permissions so the app can run in your store. A quick tip here. Before you publish any pop-up, make sure you already have a discount code in your store that matches what you plan to promote. That way, the message on your pop-up aligns perfectly with the actual offer at checkout. Once the app is installed, open it and go to the Templates section. You'll see a variety of ready-made designs. Pick a template that matches your brand style and the type of pop-up you want, whether it's a simple discount announcement or an email capture with a coupon. Now it's time to customize everything. Update the main headline to clearly state your offer, like a percentage off or free shipping, and add a short supportive message so shoppers know what to expect. Adjust the text, colors, and fonts to reflect your brand. Use your brand's hex codes if you have them, and choose fonts that are easy to read on both desktop and mobile. Swap in relevant images or icons to make the pop-up visually appealing without distracting from the message. If your template supports it, you can fine-tune spacing and layout so the call to action button stands out. Make sure the button text is action-oriented, like "Get my discount," and link it to the appropriate page or setting in the app so shoppers receive the discount as intended. Keep your wording concise and avoid clutter. Less is more when you want visitors to act quickly. When everything looks right, review your preview on both desktop and mobile. If you're happy with the design and copy, click. Save to keep your work, or publish to make it live on your storefront. Publishing puts the pop-up in front of your visitors immediately. After publishing, it's a good idea to do a quick test by visiting your store in a new browser window to ensure everything appears and functions as expected. That's it. Your Shopify pop-up discount is ready to convert visitors into customers.